What's up guys, today I'm going to show you this awesome app called Zedge. Basically, it's like a app that you can make wallpapers on and buy wallpapers on. I've had a really good time just kind of going through these and picking out stuff that I like. The only problem is that it costs credits to get these, and as you can see here in the top right, credits cost a lot of money, but today I'm going to show you a hack that lets you bypass this and you can get infinite credits on this app. So yeah guys, basically Zedge is like a custom wallpaper engine. You can make anything you want. You can also buy anything you want. I'm going to show you how to get their in-game currency for free and how you don't have to pay for it. So yeah guys, I'm going to get straight into it. But before I get right into that, I just want to let you guys know that I'm doing a Visa gift card giveaway for $20. All you guys got to do is like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll pick a random person from the comment section below. But yeah guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to qualify for the giveaway. But anyways, let's get right into how I got these extra credits on Zedge for absolutely free. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Safari and you're going to go to this website called modpower.co. I've been showcasing this website a lot lately because of how much I love it. Basically, they offer a ton of hacks and mods that you can download. Today we're going to do Zedge, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did it. As you can see there, that's modpower.co, modpower.co. As you can see, Zedge is just a little bit down. You're going to go ahead and click on install right there, and it'll just take a second to load. As you can see, there's already 150-ish people downloading it right now. So you're going to go ahead and click on start download. So as you guys can see, it's for both iOS and Android devices. I'm using an iOS device, so I'm going to go ahead and click on iOS and click on start download. And as you can see, it's just making sure we're human and downloading the APK. Just give it a quick second. And yeah guys, right here it says to verify now. This is just to make sure that you're a human, so just make sure you follow my steps very, very specifically. Anything that it tells you, you need to follow it exactly or else it won't work. So as you can see here, it says to follow and complete the instructions of 2 offers below. Let's go ahead and do the Norton Secure VPN one today. We'll go ahead and click on start. And after that, it says to download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. Go ahead and click on get started, and it'll bring you straight to the Apple Store, no worries at all. As you can see, I've already downloaded it before, but I'm gonna go ahead and download it again. Just give it a second here, and I'll go right to when it's finished downloading. Alright guys, so it just finished downloading. All you guys gotta do is go ahead and click on open right here, and it will go straight into the Norton VPN app. Just give it a second here. You only have to actually use it for 30 seconds. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of click around and kind of click on get started here and everything. All you guys got to do is have this open for 30 seconds, but since I've already done it before, I'm just going to go back and refresh you guys. Basically, all you guys got to do is follow and complete the instructions of 2 offers below. Make sure it's 2 and not just 1. Some people were confused on some of my other videos, so just to clear that up, it is 2 of them. You have to go ahead and download 2 of those apps or do 2 of the offers. You can also do the CyberGhost VPN one or the IRL social calendar. Like for instance, all you guys gotta do again is to click on start and then read the instructions. Make sure you follow them clearly as it says to download and sign up to unlock the content. That's all you guys gotta do. And as soon as you finish that second app download or finish that second offer, the coins for Zedge will instantly go to your account. I've done this countless times and I've already gotten some sick backgrounds out of it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that like button. And if you want to enter for the giveaway for the Visa gift card, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And peace out guys.